Hi there! Newsmax went up over 1000% in just 2 days. Quite even more, 15x in just 2 days. From its IPO on March 31st to April 1st. An increase over 1500%, so 15x on your investment in just 2 days. And why people believe that this company may double again, may have the same performance, another 15x. So to assess that, you have to look at their fundamentals, the revenue, and the market cap. So the first question is, what is the market cap right now of Newsmax? According to Google Finance, they have no number. They have to update their numbers. If you check on Yahoo Finance here, you'll see that the market cap is about $20.7 billion. So $20 billion. Now, should you trust this number? No. You have to check on their balance sheet. So, what is the number of shares? So, to find out the market cap of a company, you have to look at the number of shares, what is that number, and multiply the number with the current stock price, $243. So, let's check what is the number of shares. If you look on their balance sheet, you will see that they have two classes of shares, Class A and Class B. And their shares issued and outstanding for Class A are about 600 million. Now, this is prior to IPO, because after the IPO, they issued other shares. And if you ask Grok, what is the number of shares for Newsmax, they will say that there are around 89 million shares outstanding, based on IPO data from recent financial reports. Prior to the IPO, the number was about 68 million Class A, as you can see on their balance sheet. So, if you take the number from Grok, 89 million.17, and multiply this number with the current stock price, $243, the market cap is around $20.7 billion, as you can see here. And you check with Yahoo Finance, $20.7 billion is about the same. So for the moment, you can trust this number from Yahoo Finance. Now, is the market cap overvalued or undervalued? Can you have another 10x, the market cap to go to 200 billion? So let's check. You have to ask, what's the revenue of this company, Newsmax? Now the stock price went up over 15x and the market cap is about $20 billion. So what's the revenue and what's their profits? If you look at their balance sheet, here you can see their revenue for 2024 and 2023. In 2023 they had $145 million. In 2024, $171 million. And now we compare the total revenue, $171 million, with the total market cap of about 20 billion. And tell me, is this overvalued? Well, if you look at the price to sales, only price to sales, compare the revenue to the current market cap, you see that the price to sales is over 100. You divide 20 billion. We already have that number here, 20 billion, right? Divide this number by 171 million. And the price to sales is about 121. So this is way overvalued. Now, you might say that this company can grow a lot in the future. And they also have some profits. So let's check. What are their profits? Here we can see the total revenue, 171 million. Then final earnings. Here, net loss over 72 million. So they have no profits. The revenue went up, so they have a loss of 72 million. And for the last year, 2023, 41 million. So they have no profits. Now, why the market cap is about $20 billion? Why it has reached $20 billion? Maybe they have some assets. So let's check what assets do they own. Look on their balance sheet and see here total assets. Total assets are about $146 million. So you have no thousands here. This is their currency, $146 million. And again, compare $146 million with the current market cap of 20 billion. It's way overvalued. And if you look at total liabilities, they are over $155 million. So they have some cash, 24 million, some investments, 58 million, but because of this high valuation, because the stock price went up 15x in just 2 days, right now the market cap is way overvalued. And that's why you have pre-market a decline over 21%. The stock price will decline from $233 to $170, around that level. So, if you are planning to invest in this company, or you get excited about this huge upside in the stock price, and you want to invest right now, that you think the stock price may have the same performance over the next 2 days, then you have to be very careful, because right now, price is way overvalued. And if you buy right now at this level, you might end up with a huge decline. Because the management, if you look, the management owns 40% of Class B and 100% of Class A. Even if they have a huge interest in this company, you will see more dilution in the future, because they went public for a reason. Why did they go public? You have to ask this question. Why did they go public? Well, to raise more money from investors that buy this company at those huge prices. They paid $243. The management issues more shares, raise money from investors, and invest back into their business. But you as an investor, you'll get burned. And this is the highest risk with this company, especially with this high valuation. You have high valuation and future possible dilution. So it's up to you. Maybe the stock price will go down 20% this day, the next 5 days another increase like this. That may also happen. But be aware of the valuation. Current market cap of 20 billion, I don't know who is crazy enough to pay this price, especially when the revenue is only $171 million. So be very careful. And if you do think that this company will more than double from this level, then I wish you great profits. So that's it for this video, and if you have other questions, please let me know in the comments.